Hi Year 3 and Year 4, and welcome back to another PE lesson with me, Mr. Rashid. We are continuing with our athletics topic this half term, and we're moving on to throwing, both for accuracy and for speed today. So you're going to need quite a few bits of equipment. If you haven't got the exact pieces of equipment, don't worry. If you can get something similar, then go for it and use that. So first thing you need are quite a few pairs of socks. Now I'd say at least 7 pairs of socks you're going to need today. I've just brought down my whole sock basket, so have those to hand. Also going to need some saucepans, so ask parents and carers permission. Obviously make sure they're not using them or cooking at the time, but grab some saucepans, quite big ones if you can, or different sizes. You're also going to need a shoebox or something of similar size. As you can see, they're getting slightly bigger. I've also got a shopping bag, a nice big one that you can use for one of your targets as well. Also got a little kind of laundry basket, which again is a bit bigger again, and another laundry basket which is nice and big. So they're slightly different sizes, getting bigger each time. I'd say at least 5 different sized objects you're going to need. So I've got 6 or 7 here. May not use all of them, but at least 5 different sized objects. Also make sure you're in the correct kit, nice comfortable clothing, and the space you're going to need is about 5 steps forwards. You're not going to need too much space left and right, but I'd say maybe 5 steps forwards. So if you've got your living room, use that long space if you can, or outdoors if you can. So hit pause, grab some of those items, at least 5 different sized objects that you're going to use as your targets, and come back here and I'll see you in a moment. Welcome back. So for the warm-up for today's lesson, you're going to need your biggest target item. So for me it was the big laundry basket. And you're just going to need 1 pair of socks. You can roll them up nice and tight into a small ball. You can replace that with a tennis ball if you have one, but if not, socks work just fine. And I want you to place your biggest item down, and I want you to take 5 steps back, and that is going to be your start line. So I've marked my start line out with a few pairs of socks there as well. So this is a beat the teacher task. I just gave this a go, and in 60 seconds I managed to make 9 points, achieve 9 points. So I want you to give it a go. I want you to stand behind your line, using 1 pair of socks, and aim to throw it into your basket. Each time you get it into your basket, you get 1 point. But you only have 1 pair of socks, so you need to throw it, collect your pair of socks, and then come back again as well to the start line. So in 60 seconds, I want you to time how many points you can get, how many times you can get it into the basket. So I'll show you one quick example. So that was 1. Oh, got off camera. Missed it that time. Still 1, 2. So you get the idea. That was just 15 seconds worth. But we need to give that a go. 60 seconds, how many points you can get. I achieved 9 points. Give it a go, see if you can beat my score. Pause the video, give that a go, comment below if you can, or send me an email of your points and how many you got for the warm-up. Off you go. Okay, welcome back. Great effort for that last one. Really well done. So the second task today, I want you to lay out your area a little bit like this. So you've got your 5 different targets in different size order. So you've got the first one closest to your start line, and they get slightly bigger as they go away. Again, your last target should be about 5 steps away from your start line. This task is slightly different. You need to have your items laid out and 5 pairs of socks as well. This task, again, is another beat the teacher task, is to time how long it takes you to hit each target. So to get your pairs of socks inside each target. However, you can't move on to your next target until you have got your socks into the previous one. So I can't go on to number 2 until I hit number 1. So you've got to get it in number 1 first, then number 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Time how long it takes you. I just did it, and it took me 32 seconds. 32 seconds to get them all in. Again, you've only got 5 pairs of socks, so once you've run out of 5, you've got to run, collect them, and then come back to the beginning. So I'll show you a quick example. So it did just take me 32 seconds. See if I can get it in quicker than that. So I've got my 5 pairs of socks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I missed the last one. So I'm going to have to go back. I'm going to collect them all again. I've got the last one to hit. Yes, got it. Actually, that was 22 seconds. So give that a go. See how quick you can achieve all 5. Comment on your score. My time was 22 seconds. Give that a go. Comment or email your scores to me, and see you back here for the main task in a moment. So welcome back, well done for that previous task. So now for our main task, we are going to combine speed and accuracy in this activity. So similarly laid out to the previous one, you've got the start line and you've got your targets getting bigger as they go further away. And again, you've got 5 pairs of socks. This time, similar to before, I want you to, from behind your start line, throw into the first target first. When you have achieved the first target, I want to run round all 5 of them back to the beginning, pick up another pair of socks, and then go for the second. So each time you get it into a target, you run around the whole set and come back to the beginning. So it is about accuracy, taking your time from your start line, but speed when you're running around your targets to get back to the start line. So I'll show you a quick example. Again, this is another Beat the Teacher. I just tried it out and I achieved it in 45 seconds. I managed to get all 5 targets while running around as well. So 45 seconds is the time to beat. I'll show you a quick example and then I want you to give it a go. So, start the time again. First pair of socks. It's that time. Got it in, so I've got it in, so I'm going to run around all of them. Back to the beginning. Go for target 2. And then I'll run around again. So it is important to take your time when you're here. If you rush, you're just going to keep missing. So take your time, make sure you get it in. Each time you get it in, run around all of them. Obviously, if you run out of your 5 socks, you've got to go and collect them in, and go back to the start line. So 45 seconds is my time. See if you can beat the teacher. Comment on your times below the video or email me your scores. I'd love to see them. Give it a go. You can definitely beat 45 seconds. If you don't, keep trying again until you beat it. Alright, give that a go. Let me know your scores. Don't forget to take any pictures or videos of you taking part in the activity and email it to the address below. Can't wait to see your activities. Stay safe and I'll see you next week.